How to fix Discord email does not exist. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, open apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will now click on Discord and go to storage. On storage, click on clear data and click OK. Go back and click on force stop and click OK. And the last thing is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another videos.